Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can create your avatar on Instagram. So let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next, tap on edit profile. Then you can see the option of face-like icon. Tap on it. After that, tap on create avatar. Then select from which you want to create. Here I am creating manually. After that, select skin tone. Then tap on next. Then select hairstyle of your choice. Then tap on next. After that, select face shape of your choice. Then tap on next. And finally, select body type. After that, tap on continue. Then you can also select outfits of your choice. After that, tap on done. You can also add hair makeup to your avatar. Next, tap on done. Then tap on save. So this is how you can create your avatar on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.